Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a key that was used for several models of Nissan, Renault, Vauxhall. We found mainly vans use this type of key, so like the Nissan Primastar, Renault Kangoo, Renault Master, Vauxhall Vivaro, they are the ones that are using this particular key. This starts from 2002 up until 2014. So in order to open the case, you'll need the flathead screwdriver. You have a gap here where if you place the screwdriver, it will open the case up for you. Once the case is opened, you will need a very small flathead screwdriver in order to release the battery. Okay, so as you can see, the gap here is very small. So with a tiny small flathead screwdriver, you have to release the battery from here. In our case, it's a CR1225. Once the battery is removed from its position, you have to make sure you put the positive side of the battery up, okay, like so, and it slides back into position. Try and be very gentle with it so you don't damage any of the circuits inside. Okay, that will be the battery change again for key which covered quite a few car models, from Vauxhall Vivaro to Renault Master to Nissan Primastar, from 2002 up until 2014. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.